Electric vehicle stocks keep on making the headlines every now and then. With the fast adoption of industries towards renewable sources of energy and carbon-free products, industries are now targeting it as a prime goal. So are the auto manufacturers as they are progressing in the EV sector. Especially, the push from the Biden administration has boosted the EV market. This has provided EV manufacturers to open new contracts with federal, state, and local level government agencies. Now, the EV market is expanding beyond more than just cars which were to replace traditional vehicles. EVs tend to gain more importance primarily due to the electrification of the transport sector. In this video, we will cover the EV stocks that are growing with the industry and are a good buy now. But before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to it and click on the notification button. Without further ado, let's start. First EV stock on our list is Fisker Inc., having the ticker FSR. A growing EV startup, Fisker, is a passionate manufacturer of one of the world's most sustainable EVs and advanced mobility solutions. The company is making solid growth this year, and expects to outpace the anticipated growth because of increasing demand. Fisker has recently made a huge announcement, that it has received more than 50,000 orders for its all-electric Ocean Sport utility vehicle. As of May 2, 2022, the company had almost 45,000 reservations for Ocean, which included 1,600 fleet reservations. With orders surpassing 50,000 for Ocean, Fisker has recovered a turnover of almost 50% since its last earnings call. Ocean Sport, which is the base model, will start at $37,499, excluding government incentives. During the first quarter of 2022, the company had consistent operating results in line with its expectations. The test and validation phase are doing great, as Fisker has manufactured 23 out of 55 Ocean prototypes. Moreover, the company unveiled its sporting EV to the European market at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. For the limited edition, the company will start taking pre-orders from July 1, 2022. The company plans to begin building Ocean at a plant in Austria by November 17 this year. Apart from that, Fisker has unveiled the plans for its second vehicle, the Fisker Pair. FSR seems a great buy at the moment, and we can see the EV going higher in the coming time. Second EV stock on our list is Cenntro Electric Group Limited, having the ticker CENN. Cenntro Automotive Group manufactures electric light and medium-duty commercial vehicles. The company is in the growth phases, and is steadily expanding its operations. It recently acquired a new manufacturing facility, for almost $19.5 million in Changchun, China. This facility of nearly 474,000 square feet, will help the company to expand its production capacity. Cenntro will initially start the production of a new Metro series at the facility. Once it is fully operational, it has the capacity to produce almost 50,000 vehicles annually. As things stand, the company will begin trial production in the next quarter. It is working on improving the commercial fleets. Cenntro, in partnership with Nuvei Holding, has made an alliance with Advanced Clean Transportation Expo. Both companies will provide an all-in-one electrification solution for commercial fleets. The alliance will help in providing EV fleet solutions to shared and non-shared clients. Nuvei will push Cenntro's EVs into its charging infrastructure hub platform. In 2021, the company made a record production of 1,623 electric commercial vehicles, while experiencing its highest volume of 628 alone in December. This shows that the company is really making progress and increasing its production. With the new facility at hand, Cenntro looks in a great position to operate and deliver good results this year. Moreover, Cenntro has $250 million of cash with zero debt, which puts the company in a great position to expand. CENN can be your go-to EV stock. Before we move on to the next stock, we'd like you to know that we offer a morning newsletter to our email subscribers. Prior to the market opening, we send our subscribers an informative email about which stocks are moving, or about to move. You will get an overview of key earnings reports, recent insider transactions, analyst upgrades, and downgrades. To take advantage of this offer, you can find the link in the description box. If you're still with us, it means you've liked our video. Do click on the like button to show your support. Third EV stock on our list is Workhorse Group Inc., having the ticker WKHS. Workhorse focuses on the production of sustainable and cost-effective drone-integrated EVs. The company hasn't been that successful compared to other EV manufacturers. However, it holds some potential and can be a good stock if things are to improve. In 2021, Workhorse focused to strengthen the foundation of the company. and creating an experience within the organization to understand the circumstances and needs. The company is improving its team to look for long-term growth. In April 2022, the company had a good announcement to make. Its debt was to be removed from the balance sheet. High Trail Capital agreed to acquire outstanding 4% senior secured convertible notes. The security is worth $29.7 million of Workhorse common stock, representing almost 3.9% of the company's market capitalization at the time of agreement. With things getting on track for the EV maker, the company is progressing in the aerospace sector. In 2022, the company expects to achieve the projected outlook and report $25 million in revenues. WKHS can be a good stock, so keep it in your watch list. Fourth EV stock on our list is ARVL, having the ticker ARVL. ARVL is a diversified EV company that engages in R&D and commercial EVs. The company is on its way to growth, and we can expect ARVL to report profits by probably 2024. The company had great news lately, as it obtained the physical type approval testing for its van. It is a great long-term booster. ARVL expects official paperwork would be finished in the coming weeks for the European whole vehicle type approval. Following that, the company will start the production of van. The production of van is expected to begin in the third quarter in the UK, and in the fourth quarter in the USA. In 2022, the company plans to produce 300 to 400 vans. ARVL is looking to meet the growing demand for commercial EVs. The company expects to end the year with a loss of $185 million to $225 million. With time, the company will increase production, and we will see things getting better for ARVL. The good part is that the company expects to have $150 million to $250 million of cash by the year end of 2022. So, ARVL can be a good option as it sits at the bottom. Last EV stock on our list is Li Auto, having the ticker LI. Li is one of the leading Chinese EV companies. The company is making good progress, and investors seem to be happy as the stock has soared 49% over the month period. Despite supply chain issues, the EV maker improved its delivery during the month of May. Last month, the company delivered 11,496 Li 1 SUVs, which increased 166% year-over-year. Compared to April, the deliveries soared by 176%. In the first quarter, Li Auto posted better than expected outcomes. The earnings were around 30 cents per share compared to analysts' projected loss of 70 cents. The revenue for the quarter was around $1.5 billion, and had a gross profit of $341.3 million. The company has recorded triple-digit revenue growth for a second consecutive quarter now. The increasing demand seems to push the sales of the company. The good thing is the company has nicely managed the supply chain issues. For the second quarter of 2022, Li Auto expects to deliver vehicles between 21,000 and 24,000. That would represent an increase between 19.5% to 36.6% year-over-year. With that, the revenues are expected to be in the range of $972.3 million and $1.11 billion. With this outlook, LI looks like a great buy at the moment. That was it from this video. We hope you'd have liked it. Before leaving, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon to stay tuned to new videos. You can also visit our website, stockstelegraph.com, for daily market updates.